Hey, what's up? It's Soldier Knows Best here. This is another What's in My Dock video where I show you some of the applications that I'm using at the moment. And some of the applications you may already heard of, some you may have not. But these are sometimes some applications that people have been looking for to do something they've been trying to do. And I'll try to do this video and hopefully you may find something out of this. But the first application I'm going to go over is called Dock Spaces. And this allows you to have certain presets of docks. So you can have multiple docks arranged the way you want it. Say I want to have a dock to do just video recording or a dock to do picture editing. This will allow you to do it. So right now I am on my Social Notes Best dock where I have the dock on the right hand side of the screen, and I have, when I scroll over, everything zooms in as far as the icons and all that good stuff. I say I want to go down to this one I named recording, but just really just a regular dock. And I want to go ahead and go down to this preset dock where I may have things arranged a little bit differently. I can just right click on this and hit load selected dock. And boom, it'll go ahead and load this dock. And now you see this dock is centered. And actually, when I scroll my mouse over, nothing is magnifying, nothing like that. It's just everything, all the icons stay the way they are. So this is good if you want to have a dock just for when guests come over, or a dock for your kids, so they don't see your particular application. They just use certain applications you want them to use. This is also going to be used for that as well. So you can enable spaces from here. You can do some general things, have windows always on top, all this other different stuff you can do here, but I'm not going to go over all that. But a lot of this stuff you can do as far as, again, having the alignment of the dock to be centered, or on the left-hand side, the right-hand side of the screen, on the left-hand side of the screen, like so, all the way on the left. You can do all this from this application itself. And a lot of these things you can do in system preferences, but it's good to have it in one centralized location. But let me go ahead and go back to my Soldier Knows Best dock here. Okay, and that is Dock Spaces. Now the next application I'm going to go to is called SuperDocker. Now SuperDocker is kind of like the same thing you can do with Dock Spaces, but actually a little bit more as far as customizing different things within Mac OS X itself. So this is the one I actually use. The other one, Dock Spaces, is what I used to use, but I use this one actually more. This one can do the same things, align the dock wherever you wanted to on the screen, but also you can choose to add a separator here to the applications, to documents. So you can add a little separator, and it'll actually put a little space between those two folders. You can change the appearance here as far as dock colors. You can change the color of the dock from gray to black to red to whatever you want. And you can really customize that, but I'll let you get into that yourself. You can also choose stacks. Now a lot of people have been wondering how I got the background of my stacks windows. So let me show you here. I'm opening up my application stack windows here, and normal color for this is actually kind of like a darkest black or darkest black, but kind of like a black or a darkest gray. But now this one I have it actually set to a white background, which doesn't show too good on this wallpaper. But you can get this type of effect just by using this application. You can choose it to have it to go to red or green. So I got to change the green. And so the dock will reset once I apply it, and now it'll actually be green as far as the application window. So you can do different things like that, and this is how I do it. A lot of people were wondering that. So you can do some things in Finder. Another cool thing with Dashboard this does is allow you to say you want to open up Dashboard. If I open up Dashboard and keep holding down the button, and say I want to move one of these widgets here, the things to do widget, a lot of people like that. Or something else, say I want to use my Soldier Knows Best widget and keep it on my desktop so I can always see it all the time and not having to open up Dashboard. I can just click on it while I'm holding down the Dashboard button, release the Dashboard button, and now I can set this anywhere I want to set it on my desktop. And so this is a widget where I got some information that every time I upload a video I can see it here, or whoever I want to see it, so I can leave it right there and have it set there. And so this is how you do it. Now I know people are going to get this and do it and are not going to know how to actually get this widget off of their desktop. I have to do a little research for it, but you just want to open Dashboard back up, hit the little plus sign there and manage your widgets, and then you just want to go down here and actually find that widget that you got open and uncheck it. And then you can check it back again, then you can add it back to your dock. But that's how you actually get it off your desktop. So I already know people are going to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and answer that question now. Safari, System, others, you can always do some other things with that, but that'll be it for this one. And so Candybar is another good application. It allows you to customize all the different icons that you have for your applications in Mac OS X, Leopard, Snow Leopard, or whatever. And so you can change every single icon that you have. So say I wanted to change my delete icon to this nuclear reactor icon. Just click it and drag it over there, and then I can hit apply icons, and it will apply that to it. And so you can download different icon packs from the developer's website itself, or you can Google just Candybar icon packs or something like that, and you'll actually be able to get those. So it's a lot of tons of different fun and innovative and creative icons that are out there, so you can check those out. And you can also do some customization to the dock as well in this application. So you kind of see the theme of this video is really customization of the dock and stuff like that. All right, and last but not least, it's going to be a BitTorrent client, and it's called Views. Views is one of the most popular ones out there. And so this one is a BitTorrent client where you can download legal information or legal media. Also, you can do illegal media, but at your own risk. But so I just typed in Jay-Z here, and then you can see all the information that comes with Jay-Z. It has the Blueprint 3, which at the time of this video is not out yet, so you can get it if you want, or if you're a faithful listener or faithful loyal to Jay-Z, just buy the CD itself. But you can see it's pretty good. It's one of the easiest one to use. It's definitely good and fast. As far as the search results, in my case, it doesn't really get all the search results because I look for a lot of music that's not actually in the stores, yet, or some older type of music. It doesn't really find all those things pretty good with this one, but it does a good job. It's definitely finding the popular and current music out there. So that's Views. So some of these applications I may have hit in earlier videos a long time ago, but the theme of this video really just to hit a lot of applications that you can use to customize your dock. So this is another What's in My Dock video. Look out on another one very soon with some other different type of application, not really with customization. So I got another video in the works for that already. But so it's best make a video response with your own What's in My Dock video, because I like to see some applications that I don't know of or haven't covered, and I'm pretty sure other people would like to do it. So leave a comment on the video or make a video response. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace.